So, just follow her nose. She's pretty honest with that. And when you go in, look, kind of kick the clumps. It could be anywhere.
Oh, okay. So she's just picked up that he's in there somewhere.
Yeah. Yeah, she doesn't see.
Oh, okay, okay. No kidding. Over here? Oh, he's sitting on the ground right there.
Oh, well, go for it. Flush
Pick
him.
him up. Oh, hot damn.
Oh, shut the
Oh, we clean off.
He's on it. Nope.
Oh, there it is.
There
Oh,
Right
he's
there.
buried up in there.
Yeah.
There he goes.
Not on the first shot.
He jerked.
Just kind of a.
I was shooting behind him.
He's down in the cattails.
Yeah, we'll get him.
What was that, a hen?
Yeah, it's a hen bird. Oh, shit.
Like too far. Walked right by it.
Yeah,
And that was a big cockbird.
that was a big cockbird.
Couldn't. Too far.
Right to the edge and stuff.
Yeah, that's. I was even walking through it.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sure about that one.
Oh,
I see it.
Where's that?
oh
shit!
Jeez. Nailed it. That thing was right there.
God,
Right
it
on
almost
here.
hit me going up.
Yeah, it was right
It
on
was
your
right
left.
here.
Yeah.
Like somewhere right here. That's amazing. There you go.
Oh, there she is. Cruiser, here. Here. Good
Nice.
girl. Here. Hate them when they're alive. Here, my bird. Here, 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 here. My bird, my bird.
That's
My
cool.
bird, my bird.
Well, that popped the cherry.
Dude, that bird lifted off my leg.
I know.
Like I felt the flutter. I'm like, where is he?
Man, I'm looking into
He's
its
right
eyes.
That's amazing.
I like how it almost hit you.
Yeah, I know.
And your cat goes flying off.
Yeah. You knocked your hat right off your head. That was practically a vertical shot.
Tree or something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I can't get the hang of it. It's probably up and running. We don't ever stop these two rows. So.
Oh, I see.
Where is it?
Did that scare you?
Oh, easy. Man, there's a berm right there.
Here, here, good girl. Here, here, here. Cruise. All right.
I couldn't imagine doing this without a dog now. Well, if you had like 10 guys, it'd be cool.
Yeah.
Just go through every inch of this place.
Well, this is the smallest field I got.
Yeah?
Yeah, usually you're doing like 4 guys and 20 birds.
Yeah. Where is he?
See it?
No.
No.
No. That's a... Pointing in here somewhere. Still looking hard.
Okay, hold on a second. She is very certain.
Yeah. He's not moving.
You gotta, I see it.
Is it right there? I know, man, she does do a good job.
Where's he at?
In there.
I still don't see it.
I don't either.
is kind of.
Oh, I see him. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
there
He's
he
it.
is.
I'm in his shade. I'm in his light. God, that's a heck of a bird.
Oh, come on.
And he's dead.
And that was dead.
Look at him run off. Tough birds, man.
Go get it.
Get it.
She hates whatever they want to do. There's so many, like, you go to a lot of these hunting preserves, they're so rigid.
Yes.
You know, I'm like, hey, come when you want, shoot what you want. As long as you don't shoot me, I'm good.
Yeah, shoot the dog.
Maybe
She's
a little
locked
to the
up.
left. There you go.
Tell
She
me.
is locked up. There you go.
Man, that bird got out quick.
Yes,
didn't
it did.
I jammed it up under my arm. Thank you. You did good.
Beanfield?
We missed on 2,
Yeah.
killed 3.
One of them's probably laying here somewhere. Yeah. Pointing pretty hard. Want it?
No, go ahead,
Sure.
Donald.
All right. I'm gonna get a little bit more ready this time.
Oh,
Am I close?
she might be running. She's moving hard to your left.
You found it.
Didn't even have to take a shot.
Yeah!
Damn.
Who hit this one? I think you did, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
one
winged
that
it.
Banked.
Yeah.
Remember, banked, hit on the first shot, missed on the
Yeah,
second.
I didn't think I had that good of a load in it. Do you got room or?
Yeah. Stuff, you want to stuff around?
Actually, you know what? I think I got room for one more, Donald.
The
Money.
pack mule today.
No worries. No worries, mate.
You, good luck never driving again. He's on a point.
I bet this is that big damn bird.
Remember that one? That
Yes.
stuck on the
Yeah.
ground?
Donald,
Yeah.
go for it.
Got a lot to.
Oh, she's sure of this one.
All right.
Get one of those vests. She had a litter. She had just bring her tips down on the cover. That could be fun.
Oh, he's
Right
running. He's running. He's circling back. To your
I heard him. Over.
Oh, well, I'll tell you what. Look, go down that way.
Yep.
There he goes. Out in the beach.
Oh, he's on the edge of the field, Donald.
Ah.
Cruise here. Cruise here. Cruise here.
Is this still your property?
Yeah.
He's running
I,
forward. There you go, Donald. Beautiful.
nice. Don't tear that bird up. All right. We ain't mounting that one either.
Oh, we got a nice.
Yeah.
I got him. Yeah, he stuff him.
That's a big bird, man.
Yeah. Nicely done, Donald.
That's cool.
All right.
Well, that's it.
You want to stuff him? You stuff him?
Okay, I'll tell you what, Donald. I got the bird. If you could just
Yep.
and
I got both fingers off the triggers.
cruise.
I might-
what, I'm gonna
I think there's a zipper. Yeah, as I say, dump him in there. Oh, he's warm now.
Oh yeah.
Ah.
There you go.